Hi, my people. I want to tell you good morning, and I remember it's not morning. So, we moved out to Liamia Place Mpya, and I love this place. I love this place. So, we moved a week ago. Is it a week ago? Yeah, a week ago. And uh, sija arrange everything in the kitchen the way I want it to be because the moment we moved in here, I was really tired and kila kitu malili tu iliekwa ndio iko. So I want to arrange everything where I feel it should be. And I'll do it with you guys. Yeah, and if you're new here, kindly subscribe. Don't mind my sleeping bonnet. So if you're new here, kindly subscribe before watching if you haven't. And I appreciate so much for 100 subscribers. It means a lot to me. Mnaweza ni kidogo, but I really appreciate for 100 of you when you may subscribe kwa my channel. Najua nimepotea sana, but I'm back. It's because of kumove, so singeweza kurecord a lot. So I'm going to arrange the kitchen with you guys and tuweke kila kitu mali inafaa because once you move movers watakekea vitu tu kwa drawers za kitchen vile wanataka everything where they feel like it's okay ikiwa hapo, but wewe kama mwenye nyumba there is a way you want your kitchen or your living room or your bedroom to look. So yangu nataka ni arrange leo. I feel I have energy to do that today. So I will arrange with you guys. We clean first. We have to clean them first. Then we wipe the cabinets because there's some. I know I'm talking a lot. So there are some cabinets that go very high that I wasn't able to reach them and wipe them. So I'll do it with you guys today. So stay tuned. And before you watch this video, kindly subscribe. Subscription is free. Kindly subscribe before watching. So see you in the kitchen, guys. So this is me after 2 days. I took my breakfast that day, as you can see as per the video, and I went to rest. I didn't do anything. After kushiba, nilifeel tu tumbo iko sawa, nikaenda kupumzika. But now, after 2 days here I am, I'm going to clean everything in the kitchen. I'm going to remove everything from the drawers, kwanzia plates, cups, spoon, fork, everything. Then I will wipe the drawers that were not wiped, especially where you can see me. Yes, and arrange everything plus cleaning the kitchen and all that. I'll do everything with you guys. So I'm not going to do a lot of talking. Enjoy the video. And if you're new here, kindly subscribe. I will not get tired of asking you guys to subscribe. Right now, we are at 130 something subscribers. I think 139 subscribers. We are moving. And I really appreciate. Keep on subscribing, guys. Keep on subscribing. I promise I'm going to be posting videos. I'm not going to let you down, guys. Keep on subscribing, guys. And enjoy the video, okay? Bye.
ah.